All right, believe it or not, we're ready to put this rear cap on, so I'll show you how to put it back on real fast. No, I'm just kidding. So I cleaned off all these surfaces, got all the old sealant off. What I'm gonna do, bring the cap over here, I'll lay the bead, and then I'll put a bead of sealant on top, and then we'll set it into place. That's the AC ductwork. I did a quick little repair on it right here. The seam was opening up. And there's the overview. Let's get this thing put on.
Ready? Yes.
Go down. Alright, we'll go on that side now. Up. Ready?
Hold it, James.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good night, Mike.
Any chance of this working?
Yeah.
Got it.
You gonna go from there?
Please so. What do you mean do?
Pull back just a little bit.
Go down.
Okay, up. There we go. Slime me. I think that was our problem, James.
What?
I think that was our problem. Okay. Go look. Ooh. Coach.
All right, so cap's pretty well secured now. So there's a sealant that I put on the roof right there. Kind of oozed out, which is good. Definitely had a lot of camera problems yesterday, but we're on the home stretch here. Got the rear cap on. Only thing left to do is put the front cap on. It's not too much to look at. All I have to do is clean up these edges, put the sealant down, put it down, go inside, put the screws in from the inside, and definitely the screws down to the windshield. All right, so I did get some feedback that nobody really understood what I was talking about on the front cap here. So this is just above the windshield. There's a steel framing that the windshield actually glues to. The front cap also glues to it. You can see how dirty it is. It wasn't glued to there very well. In fact, it was hardly gluing. That's why I could put the screwdriver or that screw tip underneath. So it was really probably just this little area right there that was actually glued down. Go to the other side to see a little bit better. So right here, this is where I was putting that screwdriver tip. That adhesive never grabbed on. It wasn't until right there where the adhesive did anything. So like I said, it's a very common issue with these. So I'll put these sealant on right here, sealant on over the top and over at the top, and put all the screws back together. All right, so just a SikaFlex here. See how this stuff works. I want something that's not going to sag, has a little bit better working time. All right, I'll just do the sides up now and the front. Let's see if we can't do this real fast. So I don't want this stuff to set up too fast. So make sure you get underneath this flap right here really well. All right, So now I'm going to lower the front cap down, hopefully.
I'm pulling. Push down.
So there it is. It's all been screwed down. It oozed out. We filled the gap, and we're looking pretty good. So now we just do the screws in the front, put some new sealant down. Well, it's just a whole bunch more of those screws, and then this front cap is installed. This isn't awkward at all. All right, let's put that stile back in. That's up. Good thing I put up on there.